Welcome back to my channel, where we celebrate the beauty of rustic vintage charm and cozy seasonal decorating. Today, we're diving into rustic Easter neutral decor for small spaces, focusing on simple and affordable ideas that transform even the tiniest corners into warm spring havens. If you love soft earthy tones, natural textures, and budget-friendly styling, this inspiration will help you create a peaceful Easter atmosphere without overwhelming your space. When decorating small spaces for Easter, the key is intention. Instead of filling every surface, choose meaningful pieces that reflect the rustic aesthetic. Neutral tones like beige, cream, soft gray, and muted taupe create a calm backdrop that instantly feels open and airy. In compact rooms, a cohesive color palette prevents visual clutter while still allowing each decorative detail to shine beautifully. Start with a small focal point, such as a console table, floating shelf, or even a kitchen counter corner. A simple linen runner in a natural shade instantly sets the stage. Layer it with a woven basket, a ceramic vase, and a few faux branches with subtle blossoms. This layered but minimal approach adds dimension without taking up valuable space. One of the easiest and most affordable rustic Easter touches is incorporating natural elements. Think twigs, dried flowers, eucalyptus stems, or even foraged branches from your yard. Placed inside vintage-style pitchers or glass jars, these organic accents bring softness and life into a small room while keeping everything neutral and cohesive. Easter eggs don't have to be brightly colored to make an impact. In a rustic neutral theme, opt for wooden, speckled, or whitewashed eggs. Display them in a shallow wooden bowl or a small wire basket. You can even DIY your own by painting plastic eggs in soft chalky tones, giving them that farmhouse-inspired finish for just a few dollars. Candles are another powerful yet subtle way to elevate a small space. Choose pillar candles in cream or soft ivory and group them in threes at varying heights. Placing them on a wooden tray creates a contained display that feels intentional. The warm glow in the evening adds coziness without requiring additional decorative items. Wall space is often overlooked in small homes, but it offers wonderful decorating potential. Hang a simple grapevine wreath adorned with neutral ribbon or tiny dried florals. Keeping the embellishments minimal ensures the wreath complements your space rather than overpowering it, maintaining that light and airy spring feeling. Textiles can also make a big difference without adding clutter. Swap out everyday pillow covers for neutral linen or cotton ones with subtle Easter motifs like small embroidered bunnies or delicate botanical prints. Lightweight throws in soft beige or oatmeal tones draped over a chair instantly create that cozy rustic layer. In the kitchen, keep things simple and functional. Display wooden cutting boards against the backsplash and add a small ceramic bunny figure nearby. A glass jar filled with faux moss or neutral eggs on the countertop ties the theme together while still leaving plenty of workspace free and usable. For those working with extremely tight spaces, like apartments or dorm rooms, consider vertical styling. Use tiered trays to create compact Easter displays. Arrange mini nests, tiny ceramic rabbits, and small florals on different levels. This allows you to decorate fully while only using the footprint of a single tray. Lighting also plays a crucial role in rustic decor. If possible, maximize natural light by keeping window treatments sheer and light in color. During the evening, soft warm-toned bulbs enhance the neutral palette and make wood textures and woven elements feel richer and more inviting. Budget-friendly decorating often means repurposing what you already own. Look around your home for glass jars, baskets, trays, or old books that can be styled creatively. Wrapping twine around jars or adding a simple linen bow can transform everyday items into charming Easter accents without spending extra money. Another beautiful idea for small spaces is creating a tiny Easter vignette on a nightstand or entry table. Combine a small framed spring quote, a bud vase with fresh or faux stems, and a wooden bunny silhouette. Keeping the display tight and curated prevents overcrowding while still celebrating the season. Remember that negative space is your friend in small rooms. Rustic neutral decor thrives on simplicity and breathing room. Avoid the urge to fill every inch. Instead, let each piece have space around it. This approach makes your decor feel intentional, elevated, and far more impactful than an overfilled arrangement. In conclusion, decorating for Easter in a small space doesn't require a big budget or an abundance of items. By focusing on neutral tones, natural textures, simple DIY touches, and thoughtful placement, you can create a warm rustic atmosphere that feels cozy yet uncluttered. I hope these ideas inspire you to embrace simplicity this season and transform your small space into a charming, affordable Easter retreat.